Chairman of the Andhra Pradesh State Legislative Council, August Legislature, that year was confronted with unprecedented challenges. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityurma Amritagamaya. Building on this spirit of course correction, my government has articulated the Padi Sutralu as guiding principles for governance, designed to balance welfare with development and to create a virtuous circle where economic growth through sustained investments generates wealth that strengthens social well-being and social empowerment fuels sustained progress. These principles serve as a moral and administrative compass, placing people at the center of policy while ensuring fiscal prudence, institutional integrity, and long-term sustainability. To translate vision into action, a dedicated mission framework has been initiated, operating with To translate this vision into action, a dedicated mission framework has been initiated, operating with clearly defined objectives, milestones, and accountability mechanisms. Anchored in this guiding spirit, the government has proceeded with focus and resolve. The Swarnandhra vision lays out a clear economic pathway, aiming for sustained high growth to build a rupees 308 lakh crore economy with a per capita income of rupees 55 lakh by 2047. From the very first year of governance in 2024, my government has moved swiftly to implement its commitments, beginning by making the Super 6 guarantees a super hit, emerging as one of the largest DBT initiatives globally, with spending of nearly 33,000 crores per year and extending well beyond them. Under NTR Bharosa, my government stands firmly with the most vulnerable, benefiting 63.12 lakh pensioners and restoring dignity to daily life. Through Talliki Mandanam, financial assistance of rupees 15,000 per month is transferred directly to over 66 lakh students' bank accounts of mothers, irrespective of number of children, enabling them to pursue education from class 1 to intermediate without financial stress. Women's empowerment has received decisive momentum. The Stree Shakti free bus travel scheme, launched on last Independence Day, has enabled 37.8 crore free journeys by our mothers, sisters, daughters, women, girls, and transgender persons to travel free across the state.
We have been watching and we have been witnessing the YSR Congress Party's, Telugudesam Party's rule in Andhra Pradesh. How the land order has been collapsed, how they are not able to fulfill the elections manifesto, what they're supposed to do and what they're doing. We have been questioning to the TDP government for at least implement what you said. We are not demanding anything which is new. We are just requesting them and demanding them what you have promised to the people of Andhra Pradesh. Don't cheat the people of Andhra Pradesh because you're supposed to do whatever you promised. So this is not the procession. This is what we wanted to reveal to the public, that the land order situation, the land order situation has gone down, and they're supposed to implement the election manifesto, and they haven't fulfilled even a single promise. In this house, the coming session, we are going to raise our voice against TDP government on behalf of peoples. This is a public pulse. This is the public's voice. We are representing public voice.